the first thing that comes to anybody's mind is, oh, so you're a junkyard. And you don't understand what You Pull and Pay is until you see it. You Pull and Pay is a two-part business. On the back side of You Pull and Pay, you have scrap. On the front side, we are a used auto parts store.
UPAP matters because we are a smart, environmentally friendly, all-inclusive company. Embrace diversity like no other company I've ever been.
We buy vehicles, put them out in our yard, and then sell them piece by piece and recycle them.
We asked our retail teams to provide utmost customer service while the customer still has to do all the work and pull all the parts off the cars.
We have customers just coming in to work on their own vehicles, people who love just fixing up vehicles, mechanics that come in, find parts for vehicles that are very rare to come by, just about everyone.
They don't gotta travel far for their parts. They ain't gotta pay too much for their parts, and we have 1,800 cars up here that they can pick from. That's why this place is important.
I buy the cars, I'll put them out in the yard, take them out of the yard, and work up in our retail area.
My job title, I'm a rack operator, drain the fluids from the cars, gas, oil, training fluid, radiator fluid.
We strip it for everything so that nothing goes to waste.
You're an employee here and you are showing up on time, doing it the right way. Every week you get free gas out of here.
When I started here, I didn't know anything about cars. You could come here and they will teach you everything.
We are looking for people that are creative, people that want to be challenged.
Put in the work, listen, take advice. You just have to be motivated.
We are 100% changing the game for salvage yards, junk yards, auto wreckers, whatever you want to call us. If you can't find it, You Pull and Pay has it.
Great company to work for. Love this place.